Welcome to my daily reminder meditation. Make yourself comfortable and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly out. And again, deep breath in, hold it, and out. And now, let go and simply allow your breathing to settle down into its own natural rhythm. Now I'd like you, just for a few moments, to imagine yourself in a wide open space. Perhaps it's a vast, lush green meadow, or a mountaintop, or an endless beach. Feel the openness all around you. As you breathe in, feel a sense of expansiveness filling your chest. As you breathe out, let go of any constraints or limitations. Picture yourself spreading your arms wide, embracing the boundless space around you. There are no walls, no barriers, no restrictions. You are completely free. With each breath, feel a growing lightness in your body. Imagine any worries or burdens or physical discomfort gently floating away on the breeze. Now let's focus on some important truths about your condition. These are my 12 daily reminders. As I say each one, take a deep breath and just allow the meaning to sink in. 1. The pain you're experiencing is due to TMS, not to a structural abnormality. Your body is fundamentally sound. 2. The direct reason for the pain is mild oxygen deprivation. This is temporary and harmless. 3. TMS is a harmless condition caused by your repressed emotions. It cannot hurt you. 4. The principal emotion behind this is your repressed anger. Acknowledge this anger without judgment. 5. TMS exists only to distract your attention from these emotions. It is a diversion, not a danger. 6. Since your body is basically normal, there is nothing to fear. You are safe. 7. Therefore, physical activity is not dangerous. Your body is strong and capable. 8. You must resume all normal physical activity. Trust in your body's resilience. 9. You will not be concerned or intimidated by the pain. You are stronger than any discomfort. 10. You will shift your attention from pain to the emotional issues, as this is where healing begins. 11. You intend to be in control, not your subconscious mind. You have the power to direct your thoughts. 12. You must think psychologically at all times, not physically. Your mind is the key to your well-being. Take a moment to let these truths settle into your mind and body. Feel the tension and fear dissolving as you embrace these affirmations. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a few deep breaths. Gently bring movement back into your body. Then, when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Remember, you have the power to heal. Carry these reminders with you throughout your day.